How many rounds are in there?
Clip holds 7 rounds. So if you had one in the chamber, there would be 8. Okay, this is Tina. She's shooting my Walther PPK-S stainless steel carry pistol. First time she shot a powerful gun like this in her hand, so here we go. Got to take the safety off.
I did.
Okay, you're good. Let's see where the safety is. Let me look.
I had it off.
Yep. Now you got to pull. Yep. No, put it up. No, no.
Oh, up is safety off?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Okay.
So now there's a long trigger pull the first time, and then it will be an easy trigger pull.
Oh! I don't know if I'm hitting it, am I?
Yeah, I don't care. Just keep shooting. There you go.
The first time I had my thumb up there and it.
Oh, I should have told you that.
I got wallied.
Let me see. Oh yeah, okay.
So safety's on. Now how do you get the cartridge out? Hit him in the head.
That's pretty close. So that it blows all the oil and stuff out, because if you don't, you go to shoot it and that oil gets into your round and then it's fire to put it around. So I'm just going to shoot the percussion cap. We should probably put our ear protection. Now, this is going to be like a 22 sound, but it's not going to be loud, so we'll be good. You ready?
Oh, that's not loud. That's like a BB gun.
Okay. So now we should put ear protection on.
Okay.
I've put quite a few of my carbines, but this one takes a specific round. These used to be made out of vulcanized rubber back in the Civil War period, but now they make them out of nylon. Okay? And there's black powder all the way up to here. Of course, there's no primer because you have to use a percussion cap. This was before they actually had self-contained cartridges, okay?
Okay. Oh, it's smoking!
From the cap. Okay. That locks it all in.
Okay.
So every time, and these were for people on horseback. They used long muskets for your regular soldiers. These guys would have been on horseback. So every time they would have had to load a round in and put a percussion cap on while they were on the horses.
Okay.
Yeah, a lot. It's a lot going on. Okay. So right now it's at half cock. Okay.
Yeah.
Now it's at full cock. At half cock, it won't. That's your safety. It won't go.
Okay.
Okay. And that's just so you can get your percussion cap on. Okay. Full cock.
So that stays back until it fires.
Yep.
Whoa! That sounds so different.
Yeah.
Now, the bullet that you made, oh, it's still in there. It doesn't go out.
These you reload. This is just the casing. You put your black powder and your bullet in there.
Oh, I see.
Yep, and then these can be reloaded.
Wow,
Okay.
so cool.
You fire one more and then I'll let you shoot.
Oh my God, I'm scared. If there's a kick, I don't know if I can handle it.
There's not much kick. You see me move at all?
No, but you shoot these things all the time, Wally.
Hit him in the head.
Nice. Oh,
There you go.
did I get him?
I don't know. This is my sister Tina. She's going to shoot my Smith carbine from the Civil War.
First time it's been shot since the Civil War?
Probably the first time it's ever been shot since the Civil War. Okay. You got the hammer back all the way or half cock?
Still on. Boy, it's windy today.
He's going to shoot that rebel soldier over there.
Here I go.
Woo! Does look like another hole in there, Tina.
I think I got him.
You got him right in the chest. Nice shot.
Hot dog. All right, now what?
Now you got to reload.
Oh, aren't you gonna shoot it?
Well, I can shoot it, but we'll end up there. That was fun.
Okay. So first thing is open it up. Which ain't easy. I don't know how they did this riding on a horse.
They did it. There you go.
Well, it comes out. Woo, smoking.
Black powder, baby.
Smell that black powder.
Yeah, she's going to reload. She's getting good at this.
I know, right?
Leave it at half cock.
Yep.
Percussion cap going on. Man, you hit it again.
Did I?
Yeah, it's right above your last shot, just to the left. See it?
Oh, yeah.
Nicely
Sweet.
done. All right, I'm going to quit recording at this point.
Okay.
Did
Yeah,
you like
you're
that?
Okay.
Finish them up. There's only one good cap here. These are all dead. Okay. I'm gonna go for the headshot.
Okay, hang on. Don't go yet. Okay, I'm going to zoom in on the target.
I think he killed that tree too.
Here we go.
I guess I got him.
Yeah, you did. Oh my God. Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay. Tell me when.
We're all set, Tina. Fire your Civil War carbine. Woo!
I got him in the neck.
She shot him in the neck!
What? Yeah, bastard.
Wow, she shot him in the neck. Man, you know what? And you got his jugular.
Oh, that's a kill shot for sure.
Oh, he's done.
spraying.
He's history.
He's